In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion, how to create a formula to calculate review dates from project start. First, go to the Notion website and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're in, open the database where you want to add the review date. This should be the table that already includes your project information, especially the start date field, since that's what the formula will use to calculate the review date. Now look across the top row of your database where the column headers are. On the far right, click the plus icon to add a new property. This creates a new column in your table. When Notion asks you to choose a property type, select Formula. That tells Notion you want this column to automatically calculate a value instead of typing it in manually. After the new formula property appears, click on that column and choose Edit Formula. This opens the formula editor, where you'll enter the calculation that tells Notion how to create the review date based on the project's start date. In the formula box, enter this formula, dateAdd prop start date 30 days. This formula tells Notion to take the date from your start date property, add 30 days to it, and return the new date as the review date. It's a simple and very useful setup if you want every project to automatically get a follow-up or review date without having to calculate it yourself. Once you've entered the formula, click anywhere in the empty space outside the editor to save it. Notion will immediately apply that formula to the entire column. Now check the new column and verify that it automatically fills in a date exactly 30 days after the date in your start date column. If your start date is set correctly as a date property, the formula should work right away. If you don't see a result, make sure the start date column name matches exactly and that it contains actual date values. At this point, your review date formula is set up and working. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This is a great way to automate project tracking in Notion, especially if you regularly schedule check-ins, milestone reviews, or follow-up deadlines. It saves time, reduces manual errors, and keeps your workflow more consistent. And that's it. You've successfully created a formula that calculates review dates from a project start date in Notion.